In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively remove dead air from a Loom video. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. So you've recorded a video using Loom, and perhaps you noticed some awkward pauses or stretches of silence when you were watching it back. These moments can disrupt the flow of your content and may even lose your audience's attention. But don't worry, Loom has a handy feature that helps you remove those silences effortlessly. First things first, you'll want to open Loom and sign into your account. This is a straightforward step, but make sure you enter your credentials correctly to avoid any hiccups. Once you're signed in, you'll see your dashboard with all your recorded videos displayed. Now, go ahead and locate the video that you want to edit. It should be right in front of you on the dashboard. Once you find it, just click on that video to open it. On the right side of the video interface, you'll see an option labeled Edit. Click on that, and this will take you to the video editing section, where you can make all necessary adjustments. Now here's where the magic begins. After clicking on Edit, you'll see another button that says Edit and Enhance Video. You'll want to select that to access more editing features. As you go through these options, look for either Remove Silences or just Silences. The wording may be slightly different depending on the version you are using. When you find it, click on it, and wait a moment as Loom works its magic. Loom will now start scanning your video for sections where there is no speech. This feature uses audio detection to identify those dead air moments, and soon enough, you'll see a list of the silent sections it has found. Here comes the important part. Review the detected silent sections closely. You want to ensure that Loom has accurately identified the parts of your video that need editing. If it mistakenly flags areas where there is dialogue, you can decide to ignore those sections. Once you've gone through the silent sections and you're aware of what Loom has suggested, you'll be given the option to either remove these portions or apply suggested edits. If you're confident about Loom's selections, you can click Remove and get those silences out of your video. After making your adjustments, it's always a good idea to preview the video to ensure that everything still sounds smooth and coherent. In this step, listen for flow and any abrupt cuts that could be jarring for your audience. Once you're happy with how the editing turned out, you're almost there. Now that you've finished reviewing your edits, all that's left to do is save your changes. You can do this by clicking on the Save or Publish button, depending on if you want to keep the video private for now or share it with the world immediately. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to remove dead air from your Loom video. By following these steps, you can create a more engaging video that keeps your audience's attention from start to finish. So go ahead, take these tips to heart and start enhancing your video content right away. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful tips and tricks on using Loom and other fantastic tools. Don't forget to like this video. That's it for today, and happy editing!